So,
that's, oof.
so now you mentioned that you were skeptical and you're not a very you're not somebody who's just going to trust anybody who says, "Come, give me your money. I'll help you." I mean, you vetted
Ooh.
me, you looked into other people. What would you say if there's someone out there like you watching this video right now of your testimonial and they're
Mhm.
like, Jen, I'm not so sure. There's other programs out there that say they're the best and they're the gold standard. So what would you say to somebody who's kind of weighing their options right now and considering whether or not they should join the Catalyst community?
I would say, gosh, I would say, honestly, for me, proof is in the pudding. Um, I am not a salesperson, not even a little bit. It took me an hour and a half to make that first phone call. My palms were sweaty, and I'm not saying like Eminem or anything like that. I mean, I literally, my hands were sweaty. I tried to pay my husband $5 to make my phone call, and he did
You
not
wouldn't
take
do
me
it.
up on it, and I thought it was rude. Um, I don't do those things. I am not that person. I'm not that person that is a marketer person. I'm not that outgoing. I'm an introvert. I It's hard for me to do those kinds of things, even if it's for my own thing. It's hard for me. And if it's for somebody like me, where something like that is so hard to be able to do this, that's got to say something.
Hmm.
Because if you follow it and you do it and with the encouragement of others, you can do this and you do it and you're successful. You'll be successful. You will do a thing, right? And you will be fine, and you'll be successful, and you'll reap the benefits.
Yeah.
Just follow the program, listen to people, learn from them, and follow the framework.
Yeah.
I
Yeah,
mean,
that's the way we set it up. If people just follow the framework and do what we teach, I mean, everyone I
yeah,
know of has been successful that's done what we taught.
yeah, and I struggled not with the framework, but with making those darn calls. I know you hear this all the time.
All the
I
time.
know you hear it a bunch, because making those calls is like just pull my fingernails off. I mean, I'd enjoy that more, honest. Um, I still don't like it.
But yet
I'm
here you
still
are
not
with
I'm
two
still not
attorney clients.
enjoying it, but I'm doing it. I
That's
don't
right.
hate it as much. I mean, I can get it done, and and right, and it's so, if somebody like me can get it done and do it and be successful enough at it that after 4 weeks I'm actually getting somewhere,
Multiple
um,
clients.
then then that's got to say something.
That's amazing.
That's got to say something. And
That's
so,
amazing.
there's a difference between saying we are the people that are that are that are the gold standard, or whatever,